In this video, I will show you how to download Python. So just go to Google and Google it as download Python, and you will get the first link, python.org. Here you will get the link for download. Here, download Python 3.7.2, which is latest version for now. But for any reason, if you need lower version of Pythons, then here is a big list. You can download anything you want from here. So once download completes, then go for installation process. It is very simple process. So when you're done with installation of Python, then you need to download one more software, which is PyCharm. Here, just search as PyCharm, and the first link appears here, which is jetbeans.com. Go into it, and you will get download option. So download it and install it. So after installation of PyCharm, you will get window like this. So first of all, we need to create a project. I'm keeping the default name. You can change the name and also the location where the project file will be stored. And then I got this window. So here, this Scratches and console. Click on here, and then here you got this. This is Python file, and double click on it. Before we begin, let's first change its theme. It is in the settings and editor. Here, color scheme, set it to this one. Apply, yes, and okay. This is dark theme. Now we can write our code here.